I've got hurt and I would request
Say
some
again.
water, please.
Start again, please.
Yeah, my name is Wing Commander Abhinandan. My service number is 27981. I'm a flying pilot and my religion is Hindu.
What else?
I'm sorry, sir. As per, that's all I'm supposed to tell you. Wing Commander Abhinandan.
Model?
I'm not supposed to tell you that, no? Okay. Am I speaking to an officer? May I request a little information? Am I with the Pakistani army?